Okay, so go to irs.gov and check your status before calling your tax office. Know what your total refund is. Know how you filed, whether it's head of household, single, married filing jointly, married filing single. Know how you filed. Put that information in and check that first before you go to calling your tax office day in and day out about the status of your tax return. If you have a business, last thing I want to go back to because I didn't say it earlier. Get a tax ID number for it. If you have been claiming that business, that hobby, on your taxes, on a form called the Schedule C, get a tax ID number for it. Especially if you've been claiming a loss for a couple of years. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Get a tax ID number for it from sunbiz.gov. Yeah, sunbiz.gov. Look at me, trying to remember. Sunbiz.gov is where you get your tax ID number from, and it is free, guys, and it takes about 15 minutes. And it legitimizes your business. It really puts some respect on your business name. Put some respect on it. We're in an era where we need to stop operating at a capacity where we don't have paperwork, where we don't have anything to show for it. COVID hit this year, and those businesses that didn't have paperwork but made a lot of money, guess what happened? They couldn't get funding. They didn't even have the proper documents to even consider getting funded. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I am going to close out. And so since I've been challenged to be more of a vessel and talk more about what it is that I have going on in my life, because maybe something that I have going on can help somebody else, because it's helped me tremendously. So my experience in the tax industry has been about a decade running at this point, and I have been a tax office owner for the past 5 years. And so me going into opening my own office came through, you hear my son? It came through a test of trials and tribulations. And so it just inspired me to want to be that vessel.